Gemini, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is transformation. Confirmation. Not only are you changing on the inside and you're a new, entirely stronger being, but your outside is manifesting to something different, something better. You're going to higher and better places, the places that you've outgrown. Those are the past. You're going into your future, your manifestations, the place where you belong. I'm constantly evolving and I improve inwardly by working on my weaknesses and refining my strengths. Therefore, you never have weaknesses, but you're an all-powerful being. We're forever learning, we're forever evolving, we're forever building into new strengths. Life ensures that I'm presented with situations that help me learn and grow, and I'm aware of my progress and open my wings to light. As you become stronger and you grow wiser, therefore bigger, better blessings can be trusted and given to you. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.